Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to reactivate Windows 11 after a hardware change. So if you have made any crucial changes to your Windows operating system installation, such as replacing motherboard, then these changes require you to reactivate Windows so that you can again use it like before. So I am currently on a Windows 11 system. I have changed hardware for this device, and then after changing the hardware, when I open the settings app, you can see that you need to activate Windows before you can personalize your PC, and there is a activate now link. This means the system is not activated, and when I click on that link, it takes me to the activation page. Here at the activation page, you can see that activation state is not active, and there is a line mentioned here: enter your product key to activate Windows. Error code. There is an error code specified here, and here if I scroll down, you can see that I do not have the product key associated. So in case if you have the retail license, you can click on the change button, then reinsert your original product key, and that should usually help you to reactivate the system. But in case if you had OEM license, then you may be able to reactivate with the help of Microsoft account. Now let's see what Microsoft recommends as steps to reactivate your Windows 11. So we have this support article from Microsoft. The link has been mentioned in the video description as well. So when you go to that page, it is clearly mentioned that when installing Windows 11, the digital license associates itself with your device hardware. If you make significant hardware changes on your device, such as replacing your motherboard, Windows will no longer be able to find that license matching to your device, and you will have to reactivate Windows to get it up and running. And here there are some steps mentioned in order to prepare your Windows 11 before the hardware change. But since you have already done the hardware change, let's skip to the next part, which mentions reactivate Windows 11 after a hardware change. It is clearly mentioned that when you are ready to reactivate, make sure that your device is connected to the internet. So here my device is connected to the internet. I have internet access on this machine. Here the first option is to run the activation troubleshooter in case if you have digital license, and there are some steps mentioned here to run the activation troubleshooter. I will again take you to the activation page in the settings app, and here we already have the troubleshoot button. So I'll just hit the troubleshoot button here to launch the activation troubleshooter, and as you can see, the Windows activation troubleshooter is now running. Let it be working. Here we have troubleshooting has completed. We can't activate Windows on this device right now. Try activating again later. If you are not sure your license is genuine, buy a licensed version from the store. And again there is a error code. And it also mentioned we were not able to activate Windows on this device. So there is a link to go to the store to buy the genuine Windows 11 license. But since we done the hardware change, we also have an option here which we can select, and that is I changed hardware on this device recently. Just click on this link. Once you click on that link, a Microsoft account window will open. You would be asked to sign into your Microsoft account. Here you need to make sure that you sign into the same Microsoft account which you earlier used before the hardware change, because the license is tied to that Microsoft account. So just pay attention to this and carefully select the same Microsoft account. So here I am signing into Microsoft account. Once you successfully sign into the Microsoft account, you will see this reactivate Windows screen. If you have multiple devices linked to your Microsoft account, you will see all of them listed here. So I have many devices linked to this Microsoft account. So I just scroll down and find out the current device on which I'm trying to activate right now. So here I have located that device. Once you locate the device you want to reactivate, make sure you check mark this is the device I am using right now option there. After selecting that option, you have to click on the activate button below this option, and once you click that you will see reactivating Windows for a few seconds. Make sure your system remain connected to the internet, and after a few moments you can see that my Windows 11 is again reactivated and the activation state is now changed to active. And if I expand this, you can see that I have Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. So this is how you can reactivate your Windows 11 after a hardware change. In case if you have any question about this method, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.